Hi guys, welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're gonna talk about a big Windows 11 25H2 problem in the latest update for the main release, which is the build 26200.7019 or build code KB5067036. First of all, I want to apologize because my voice will sound a bit different in this video. I have a cold, so my voice will sound a bit weird, but we have to do this video because this is quite important. So as I've said, we have a pretty big issue in this build, which we're gonna talk about. This was mentioned, I think, first by Windows Latest on Twitter or x.com, so shout out to them. But if you have this latest build installed on newer main release, you should be aware of this new issue. So if you enjoy videos like these in which I talk about different Windows 11 25H2 updates, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with a video. So first of all, let's see what the issue is. Let's say you are a normal Windows 11 user, you open up the task manager to maybe see some processes or to end some tasks, and you close out the task manager by using the X button, the close button. Later on, you do the same thing. Maybe you check the task manager again, you close it again from the X button, and so on. Let's say you do this 5 or 6 times. Maybe some people do it more times. Well, what's happening in this build? The X button is not ending the task manager task, basically. So whenever you're looking into the normal processes, you may notice that you have only one task manager process, but if you were to search for the task manager process, you'll notice that the task manager process has remained opened for every instance that we've opened, basically. And every instance, every process is eating up RAM memory from our operating system. Pay attention, this is not the case for every user. If you have this latest build installed, maybe you won't encounter this, but a lot of people have encountered this, so this is a real issue in this build. It is something pretty similar to a memory leak inside Windows 11 because the task manager process is not closing if you click the X button in task manager. And what's weird is that you only see one task manager process here, but if you search for it inside task manager, you will see all the processes opened. So I think this is a pretty interesting issue that you have to be aware of. Of course, this has a pretty simple workaround or fix. You just have to use the end task function to end the task of task manager. Just click on end task. And of course, you're going to have to do this, unfortunately, for every task manager task that you have. Just click on them, end task, and so on. This is how you can completely close them. But of course, as I've said, if you're a user that uses the task manager a lot to monitor your system processes, your CPU or RAM memory usage, and open it and close it, if you're just gonna close it by the X button in this latest build for the main release, you're gonna have a lot of processes running in the background that will eat up your RAM memory, and I think this is a pretty big issue. And I have to state, I'm pretty disappointed with Microsoft. Lately, they have been focusing very much on new AI features, but these things and these issues somehow aren't tested before, and they come up on the main release of Windows 11. Of course, if this issue was on the dev channel, on the beta channel, or let's say even on the release preview channel, it wouldn't have been such a big deal. But it being on the main release, the build that everyone has if they are up to date on their Windows 11 operating system, I'm not sure what to think about this. I don't know what's Microsoft process in testing these builds before releasing them, and this is quite a big issue. I don't think we've had such a big issue in a long time. Even the SSD problem wasn't actually linked to a Microsoft update, but that also caused some backlash for Microsoft and other companies. But this is 100% Microsoft's fault because an issue like this shouldn't be able to make its way on the main release on the latest build. And people that are not aware of this will just use the task manager normally, will close it, and they will see that they have a lot of tasks open. So if I were to do this for a bunch of times, you'll see that my RAM memory usage will just increase and increase and increase until I'm just gonna start to notice it, because of course the RAM usage is something pretty important in the Windows 11 operating system. And as I've said, I look forward to seeing your comments below. I'm pretty curious how many of you have installed this latest build and how many of you are encountering this issue, because this is quite a big issue if you ask me. So feel free to leave a comment below if you want to do so. But as I've said, I remind you again, the quick workaround is to just end the task of each task manager process manually and do this until you close out any task. And the next time when you open the task manager, just use the right click and end task on the main task manager process, or just use an option that you have inside the Windows 11 operating system by right clicking on the task manager button and then click on end task. If you don't see this on your operating system, just open up the settings app, go inside system, and then scroll down to the advanced section, and here you should see the taskbar end task button. Enable end task in taskbar by right click. Make sure this is enabled, and you should see this option to end the task easily directly from the taskbar. So this is pretty much it. This is the issue that made its way inside the operating system, inside the main release of Windows 11 out of all the builds, funnily enough. So pay attention to this. Make sure to test this out on on your system and see if you are affected by this, and hopefully Microsoft will fix it in a later update. For more information about this, you can also check out my article from the description below or other reliable sources. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.